Hey everyone, and a massive hello from me, Afroz. Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing the top tips to help you transform your body and go from fatty to skinny. Let's do this together and make some magic happen. Alright, let's kick things off with the absolute foundation of any amazing transformation, a balanced diet. Now when I say diet, I don't mean those restrictive, boring plans that make you feel deprived. Think vibrant fruits and veggies, lean proteins that help build and repair, and healthy fats that keep your brain happy. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful vegetables, add a good source of lean protein, and include healthy carbohydrates and fats. Start making small swaps, maybe white bread for whole grain, sugary drinks for water infused with fruit, or processed snacks for a handful of nuts. It's all about making healthy eating easy and enjoyable, because when you love what you eat, you'll stick with it. Next up, let's talk about something that will not only help you slim down, but also boost your mood and energy levels like crazy regular exercise. Moving your body is such a powerful tool, ladies. The best exercise is the one you actually enjoy and can stick with. Cardio exercises like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, dancing, or even a fun Zumba class are fantastic. Strength training helps build lean muscle, which boosts your metabolism even when you're resting. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Every step, every squat, every dance move counts. Okay, team, let's dive into a super simple yet incredibly powerful secret weapon in your transformation journey: hydration. Yes, good old water. It helps boost your metabolism, aids in digestion, and helps flush out toxins. Aim for 8 glasses a day, but adjust based on your activity level and climate. Always carry a reusable water bottle and try infusing water with slices of lemon, cucumber, berries, or mint for a refreshing twist. Now let's talk about something many of us overlook, but is absolutely critical for your Flab to Fab transformation: getting enough quality sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, hormones that control your appetite and metabolism can get totally out of whack. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet. Sweet dreams are essential for a fabulous you. We've covered diet, exercise, hydration, and sleep, all super important. But what ties it all together and keeps you going when things get tough? Motivation and clear goals. Find your why, write it down, keep it visible, and remind yourself of it often. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Celebrate every single small win along the way. Progress, not perfection, is what we're aiming for. Visualize your success. Imagine how amazing you'll feel when you reach your goals and keep that fire burning within you. And that's a wrap on our top tips for transforming your body and going from Flab to Fab. I truly hope you found these secrets inspiring and, more importantly, doable. Consistency is your best friend. Every healthy meal, every workout, every glass of water, and every good night's sleep is a step in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. See you next time. Keep shining, keep moving, and keep being the fabulous person you are.